Look at a mighty mountain range, its jagged peaks scraping the sky, its vast bulk and immovable presence on the landscape. What you are witnessing is the incredible slow-motion aftermath of a collision between giants. Our planet's surface is not a single solid shell, but a dynamic puzzle of massive slabs called tectonic plates constantly shifting on a fluid mantle below. The most dramatic mountains, like the Himalayas and the Alps, are born at convergent boundaries where two continental plates are pushed together by Earth's immense internal engine. Picture this: over millions of years, two colossal landmasses, each with thick buoyant crust, meet in a geological head-on collision. Neither wants to sink, so their edges crumple, fracture, and fold in an unstoppable crunch. Enormous slabs of rock are thrust upward for miles, while the crust beneath thickens to astonishing depths, creating a mighty root that buoys the mountains upward. This epic process, called erogeny, is the ultimate earth sculptor. The incredible pressure and heat transform the rock itself, creating new minerals, while the forces of erosion, wind, ice, and rain immediately begin carving the uplifted rock into the breathtaking, rugged peaks we recognize. A mountain is not a static monument, but a living, growing testament to our planet's raw power, a visible battle scar from a clash of titans that continues millimeter by patient millimeter to this very day. If you are fascinated by the incredible power that shapes our planet, be sure to show your support. Give this a like, share it with a friend who loves science, and let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And for more journeys into the wonders of our world, don't forget to subscribe.